This question tests your knowledge of the order of adjective, okay? So I'm giving you 5 seconds to give me an answer. And if you need more time, you can pause this video, okay? Okay, so when solving questions under the order of adjective, we usually reference OSASCOMP, which is an acronym, okay? So O stands for opinion, for example, beautiful, interesting. S stands for size, for example, tall, short. A stands for age, for example, old, new, ancient. S, which is the second S, stands for shape, oval, round. Okay, next is C, which stands for color, white, black, blue, right? Next is O, which stands for origin, for example, French, Chinese, Nigerian. Next is M, which stands for material, for example, wooden, plastic. Okay, and finally we have P, which stands for what? Purpose, for example, running, as in running shoes, sleeping bags. Okay, so running tells us the purpose of the shoes, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's go back to the question. So the next thing we need to do is categorize each word. Okay, so starting with white, right? White falls on that color, right? Good. Beautiful falls on that opinion. Okay, but opinion comes first, so we should have beautiful before white. Good. Now next is exceedingly. Now exceedingly is an adverb, it's not an adjective, so it doesn't fall under the OSASCOMP because the OSASCOMP is the order of adjective, right? Good. So because exceedingly is an adverb, and don't forget the function of an adverb, it modifies a what? A verb, an adjective, or other adverbs. Okay, so in this case it is modifying the adjective beautiful because beautiful is number one, right? So it has to come first. So with this we can easily eliminate option A, D, and E, and we're left with B and C. Okay, but let's take a look at flowing. Flowing is under what? Purpose, and then we close it up with the noun gowns. Okay, so exceedingly first, beautiful next, white, flowing, and finally gown. So final answer to this question is option C.